Rajputana. Rajputana, also called Rajwar, former group of princely states chiefly constituting what is now Rajasthan state, northwestern India. The name means land of the Rajputs. The area 132,559 square miles consisted of two geographic divisions. The area northwest of the Aravalli range, this being mostly sandy and unproductive and including part of the Great Indian Thar Desert, and the area southeast of the range, which is generally higher and more fertile. The whole area thus formed a compact block occupying the hill and plateau country between the northern Indian plains and the main plateau of peninsular India. Rajputana consisted of 23 states, one chiefdom, one state, and the British district of Ajmer Merwara. The majority of ruling princes were Rajputs, warrior rulers of the historical region of Rajputana, who began to enter the area in the 7th century. The largest states were Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jaipur, and Udaipur. In 1947, the consolidation of states began by stages, as a result of which the state of Rajasthan came into being. Some of Rajputana's former territory in the southeast is now part of Madhya Pradesh state, and some in the southeast is now part of Gujarat state. In pre-Muslim times, the area was divided between two Rajput clans, the Tomras of Delhi and the Jardons of Bayana. Thereafter, it was directly under Delhi. Jat independence began toward the end of the reign of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, with plundering raids and the establishment of robber forts. In 1722, Bharatpur was recognized by the Mughals as autonomous. Its greater ruler Suraj Mal plundered Delhi 1753 and took Agra 1761. Soon after his death in 1763, the state declined, undergoing two sieges by the British. In 1804, the Jats sided with the Maratha chief Malhar